To download GTA Vice City, you need to first open your favorite browser and search for Rockstar. So then you need to click this official rockstargames.com website. Tap this and open it, and from here you need to get the launcher. Tap the launcher and you need to first download it on your Windows computer. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again, but you need to download it. And then the download launcher will appear like this. So this is the launcher. Open the launcher. If you don't have an account on this Rockstar Game Launcher, you just need to create a new account. But if you have an account, just log in to your existing account. After you have successfully logged in to the launcher, you will find this game called GTA The Trilogy. Exactly, this is the game you are searching for. This is actually 3 games, combination of 3 games. So let me show you. As you can see, this is combination of GTA Vice City, GTA 3 and GTA San Andreas. So this is the official Rockstar website. As you can see, Grand Theft Auto The Trilogy. This is the combination of 3 games. So you need to buy this game first, and then after buying the game, you will see it has been downloaded automatically. Then you will be able to play the game on your PC. So that's how you download GTA Vice City.